friends! Today we are going to draw a dragonfly. Let's see what are the materials needed for this project. A thick white drawing sheet, watercolor set, crayons or oil pastel, color mixing palette, painting brush, and most importantly, curiosity to learn. Let's draw a dragonfly. First, we have to draw a circle, not exactly at the center of the paper, little side of the paper. Just a small circle, not big, not small. This will be our dragonfly head. Here I am just darkening the border with the crayons. Let's draw the body of our dragonfly. Dragonflies have a very thin body. Just draw a line, go diagonally towards down, curve, and then come back. That's it. Go down, curve, and then come back. That will be our dragonfly's body. Next, we'll draw the wings of the dragonfly. Draw a long wings, just like that. Go up, curve, and then come down. And do the same on the other side. Dragonflies have 4 wings. So, we are going to draw another wings on both the sides underneath the first wings. Same on the other side. Now I switch the color to orange and I'm adding little details to the wings. You can do whatever you like to do, some patterns or some lines or dots, some heart shape. Whatever you like you can do in your dragonfly. Here I am just drawing an extra border to the wings of the dragonfly. Next, I have switched to black color to draw the eyes of our dragonfly. A small curve will be the mouth of the dragonfly. Now let's draw an antennas for the dragonfly. Straight line, go up and then curlicue. That's it. That will be the antenna of our dragonfly. Here I am adding little more details on the body of the dragonfly. Here I am adding little more like patterns like dots in the wings. You can do whatever you like to do. Our dragonfly is ready. Now let's paint our dragonfly using watercolor. I decided to paint my dragonfly with little like a yellowish color. Like I'm mixing both dark and light yellow here. For the wings, I'm choosing blue color. So I'm making it a little darker on the wings. You can choose like whatever the color you like. You can color your dragonfly with that color. When you're using watercolor, you don't want to paint it in the same place again and again. When you overdo it, like you will like rip and tear the paper out. So don't want to do it again. Okay, let's paint the background using watercolor now. For the background, I choose green color, light green color. With a combination of little yellow. Alright, look at the dragonfly. It looks great, right? I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!